guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making chicken cheeseburgers. For this recipe, we are going to be needing half kg of chicken breast, 1 cup of flour, a quarter cup of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of paprika, za'atar, and we just need a pinch of it for color, 2 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of garlic. What I've done here is I have already pre-marinated the chicken with the garlic and half teaspoon of salt and refrigerated this for 2 hours. Okay, for the batter, we're going to be needing corn flour, paprika, za'atar, and salt. Now I'm just gonna mix this until it's well combined. And I'm going to add in 2 eggs. I'm just gonna mix this. What I did was I added some water in this to make the consistency a little liquidier. I'm just gonna add some more. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to dip the chicken in the coating and then it'll be ready to fry. Okay, I'm going to do this with the rest of my chicken and then we're going to get frying.
As the chicken's ready, I'm going to be the one who's assembling it because I love burgers and cheese and everything. So first we're gonna be putting mayonnaise. Yeah, I think so. Then we're gonna put the sauce at the other side of the pan. Then we're gonna take the yummy chicken and place it right over here. And the cheese, I forgot. The lettuce. This and then this. Yeah, it's fine. So basically that was your cheeseburger. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye.